Hi students, today we will learn about face value, place value and expanded form of a given number. So let's see first about face value. So look here, face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Means if in any example ask find the face value of a given digit. So remember that face value of a given digit is that number itself, whatever place it occupies in the place value chart. For example, 23,467. If in this question we have to find the place value of each digit, suppose we have to find the place value of digit 7. So if you observe that number, digit 7 is at 1's place, but face value of 7 is 7. Digit 6 at 10's place. So here if you read that sentence, you came to know that face value of digit in the number is the digit itself, whatever place it occupies in the place value chart. As though it is 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place or 10,000 place. Doesn't matter. Face value of a digit in the number is the digit itself. Means face value of digit 7 is 7. Face value of digit 6 is 6. Face value of digit 4 is 4. Face value of digit 3 is 3. Face value of digit 2 is 2. So whatever place it occupies, as though digit 2 is at 10,000 place, digit 3 is at 1000 place, digit 4 is at 100 place, digit 6 is at 10 place. Here the face value of digit is that digit itself. Okay, next we will see place value. Place value of a digit in the number depends on the place it occupies in the number. Means whenever we have to find a place value of a digit in the given number, so we have to remember that formula. Means place value of digit in a number is equal to face value multiplied by value of the place it occupies in the place value chart. For example, 2345. Now here we have to find out a place value of each digit given in that number. Now look at that. Here digit 5 is at 1's place. Face value of 5 is 5. And at which place it is? 1's place. So value of place it occupies in the place value chart is 1. So here 5 multiplied by 1, we get 5. So place value of 5 is 5. Next digit is 4. Here face value of 4 is 4. And value of the place it occupies 10. So 4 multiplied by 10, we get 40. So place value of digit 4 is 40. Next digit 3. At which place it is? 100 place. Face value of 3 is 3. And value of the place it occupies 100. So 3 multiplied by 100, we get 300. Next digit 2. At which place it is? 100 place. Face value of 2 is 2. And value of the place it occupies 1000. So 2 multiplied by 1000, we get 2000. In this way, place value of a digit in the number depends on the place it occupies in the number. Face value, place value, it is not occupied. But in place value, it depends on the place it occupies in the number. Okay. And one more thing, important point you have to remember, place value of 0 is always 0, irrespective of the place it occupies. Means for example, its place value is always 0. Students, just now we have learned how to find a face value and place value of a given digit in the number. Now we will see expanded form of a number. So look at here, student. Expanded form. Expanded form means what? Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of a digit. Expanded form of a number is sum of the place values of a given digit. So here we will consider a number 76,10,624. So here we have to find, or we have to write the expanded form of 76,10,624. Just now we have seen that expanded form is sum of the place values of a digit. So first of all we have to find place value of a given digit in the given number. So here first of all we will find place value of digit 4. So digit 4 is at ones place, and you have learned how to find a place value. Place value of 4 is equal to face value of a digit into value of the place it occupies. So here face value of 4 is 4 and value of the digit occupies ones. So we multiply 4 by 1, we get 4. Place value of 4 is 4. Next digit is 2, which is at tens place. So place value of 2 face value of 2 is 2, and at which place it is? 100 place. Sorry, at which place it is? Place value of 2, face value of 2 is 2, and we multiply 2 by 10 because value of the digit which it occupies tens. So multiply 2 by 10, we get 20. Next digit 6. Now digit 6 at which place? 100 place. So we will find place value of 6. Face value of 6 is 6. And value of the digit it occupies 100. So 6 multiplied by 100, we get 600. Next digit 0. So I told place value of 0 is always 0 irrespective of the place occupies. So as the 0 is at 1000 place, but place value of 0 is always 0. Next digit 1. Now we will find place value of digit 1. Digit 1 is at 10,000 place. So place value of 1 is equal to face value of 1 is 1 and value of the digit occupies 10,000. So 1 multiplied by 10,000, we will get 10,000. Next digit 6. Digit 6 is at lakh place. So place value of 6 face value of 6 is 6 and value of the place it occupies lakh. So 6 multiplied by lakh. So we get here 6 lakh. Next digit is 7. Digit 7 is at 10 lakh place. So place value of 7 face value of 7 is 7 and it occupies 10 lakh place. So 7 multiplied by 10 lakh. Place value of 7 is 70 lakh. first I told expanded form is sum of the place value of a digit. So expanded form of 76,10,624, we will add place value of each digit. So here we write expanded form of 76,10,624 is equal to, so we have to start from the left mode. Place value of 7 is 70 lakh. Plus place value of 6 is 6 lakh. Plus place value of 1 is 10,000. Place value of 0 is 0. Place value of